What's up guys, we're here in our brand new kitchen, so we're going to get started, and what we're going to make is a ketogenic pizza, or you could call it a parmesan if you want. There's some people call it a parmesan, but we're not actually using parmesan cheese. So I'm going to go and call it a keto pizza. Can be used in the carnivore diet as well, I'm pretty sure of that, apart from you probably won't want to use the tomato sauce we use. So other than that, it's all good. I'll stick the macros on when we're all done. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we've got is our turkey mince, 2% fat turkey mince here. Any turkey mince will do. 2% fat is obviously optional. Mulch this up a bit now. You can add normal salt, but I'm just going to use this chili and garlic salt we've got here, just to give it a bit more flavour. I'm going to go ahead and put that around there. Knead it into it. Get our baking tray, and we're going to try and get it as round and as flat as we possibly can to resemble a pizza base. So there we have what we're going to use as our base. We've got our oven preheating. We've got that set to 180 degrees in a fan assisted oven, and we're going to pop that in and just let that cook until it's nice and golden on top.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so that's our base done there. And it's cooked through and it's just started to brown on the edges there. So we don't want it going too dry.
Oh, behave.
The sauce we're using is this Everyday Essentials sauce. For 100 grams, it's 5 grams of carbs. Now, if you're doing carnivore diet, you can simply skip this step. Or if you have a bit of an allowance on that, maybe you can have this. That's entirely up to you. Use these slices here, just to give it a nice solid base. We're going to top that off with even more cheese, which is our mature cheddar. We're going to pop this back in until it looks more like a pizza.
"11 minutes later."
Check that out. I don't care if it's not pizza, it's something good. Let's get this all plated up and we can get on with a taste test. Right, now for the best bit, the taste test. It's not pizza, but it doesn't taste like bread. Obviously, but it's really nice. Around the crust, the turkey's a bit drier. It feels like you're eating the crust around there. Tomato sauce has stayed lovely, not too much of it. I might have overdone the cheese, but that's personal taste. If you don't like a bit of cheese, that's fine. I've got a mountain of cheese on this, and it's perfect. So my verdict is excellent. Let me know how yours goes. Say if you want to try it with some extra toppings on. I've just done plain cheese, but pepperoni, anything will go on this. You can throw any meat on there and it all sticks within the diet. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.